Hello class, today I'm going to teach you how to create your very own cartoon using GoAnimate. What I want you to do is go down to the very center where it says make a video start from scratch. I want you to go ahead and click on that icon there. Now we don't want this starter template, so follow the mouse cursor all the way down to the bottom left. This is where your animation is going to go, your little cartoon. Now we don't want this template in there, so what we're going to do, we're going to delete it. So go to the trash can, delete it. Should clear out the screen. Okay, now we got a blank screen. And what we're going to do is we're going to go up here, follow the mouse cursor. Where it says business friendly, there's going to be a down arrow there. We're going to click on that down arrow. Now once you do that, you're going to go all the way down to the bottom where it says more assets. And we're going to create our theme for our GoAnimate cartoon. We're going to click on Chibi Peeps. So go ahead and click on that. Now notice to the left, it's given us templates to choose from for our background. Now for this video, I want to keep it educational. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to click on the classroom. Now notice, once I clicked on the classroom, a whole classroom filled up the screen. Now in order to complete this assignment, I'm going to show you a couple of things that's going to be beneficial to you in order to complete your cartoon. I'm not going to show you everything, but I'm going to show you enough to get started. All right, let me start out by clicking on one of the icons. So go ahead and click on the door. Now notice, when you click on the door, it's going to highlight it in green. Now you can make that door smaller, or you can drag away and make it larger. You can do that to every single icon on this page. If you want to delete it, you can. There's the delete. If you want to delete the door, you can. If you want to delete anything on here, you can. And I'll give you an example. So, if we want to get rid of the podium, all we're going to do is delete it. If we want to get rid of the notebook there or the book, we can delete it. Perfect. Okay, so now we got somewhere where our characters can actually stand. How are you going to input your characters? Very simple. You're going to go up here to the characters icon, and you notice that they give you the custom characters, or you can go with the stock characters. I like to choose a boy and a girl, just for conversational piece. You can go girl, girl, boy, boy. It doesn't really matter. But for this intensive purpose, I'm going to go boy. And then it pops up on the screen. I'm going to go girl. Now, just like the icons, you can also shrink these characters down so they're not so big. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to shrink the girl down to where it kind of matches, and I'm going to shrink the boy down as well. Notice that she's facing away from the boy. Now if you want to have the girl face so they can talk and have a conversation, face the other character, all you're going to do is you're going to go over here and you're going to flip. See this icon there? Notice what I did. Now I'm going to go back. Now you're going to go in the middle right here. You're going to click on the girl. You're going to bring this window up where it says flip to the right. You're going to flip to the right. Notice she changes direction. So now you have a girl and a boy ready for conversation. Now, how are you going to input dialogue? Okay, good question. So now, remember what I told you about the movie down here in Scream 1? Now, what we're going to do is we're going to click on that screen, and we're going to click on the girl, and we're going to open dialogue. We're going to click on the dialogue screen. Now notice we don't have microphones. That's okay. What we're going to do is we're going to text to speech. So go ahead and do that. Now, you can change the voice by clicking on the down arrow there. And you can change the sex of the voice by clicking female arrow to the left. I'm just going to go for this in purpose as Allison. What I'm going to do is I'm going to type in something that we learned in history. So she's going to talk first. So I'm going to type in, what did you learn in history today, Joey? I'm going to generate the voice. Now, in order to generate that voice, we're going to click on it. So what you typed in there from your script that we wanted you to write, you're going to type in there. So let's generate the voice.
What did you learn in history today, Joey?
And now you notice her talking. Now, if you want to hear her talking to Joey, what you're going to do is you're going to go up to the right, and you're going to click preview. So let's go ahead and do that.
What did you learn in history today, Joey?
So she talked. Now we're going to go back to editing. In order to get him talking in the next scene, we're going to have to add a scene. So you notice no one's talking in this scene. So now what we're going to do is we're going to click on Joey. We're going to go down to text to speech, and we're going to type in something that Joey learned.
I learned about the Civil War. The teacher says that the war was fought because of slavery.
So that's what Joey's going to say. So we heard it. Now we're going to add the voice to Joey. So see him talking? Now we're going to go up. Make sure you save your work. So we're going to go ahead and save it first. Now it's going to let you title it. So we're going to title it History Video. Now that's how you create dialect and characters and your background. Now, if you have any other questions, you can raise your hand and I will be glad to assist you. This concludes this lesson on how to make your GoAnimate history video.